Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabby, and today we're going to be playing with slime. Don't forget to hit the bell and comment what your favorite color is and like. Very important to like. So we are going to be playing with slime today. As you can see that I usually always play with slime, and this one is called snowball slime. It's really white. It's very fluffy. So let me show you it. Here's the snowball slime. I was kind of playing with it. So yeah. Oh, don't mind my nails. I just got them done. So I'm gonna make a bubble. I'll show you guys. Ta-da! That was not a good bubble, but we can make it work. You hear that, guys? Yeah. So, if we get enough likes, I'll be doing a shout out to people. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Just go in my bio. The bio is, of course. Sounds like a big good swirl. Like, everyone says I'm playing the slime wrong. So, tell me in the comments if I'm actually doing it wrong. There we go. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment your favorite color, and if I'm playing with slime right. And click the bell for you're always notified, so you always get a notification when I'm making another video. And like. And if I get enough likes, I will do a shout out to somebody very important. So I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video and do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.